year 1958 was one of increasing tempo of activity in the Thor IRBM program, the year ending in complete weapon system testing concurrent with operational readiness of units in the United Kingdom. Operational ground support equipment was being supplied by all associate contractors, and the Douglas Santa Monica manufacturing facility was expanded to facilitate a missile production rate of 9 a month. Significant achievements by other major contractors included the completion by AC Sparkplug, guidance contractor, of a series of sled test runs at the Naval Ordnance Test Station in Yokern, California. As a result of the successful system sled test runs with the inertial guidance components mounted directly to the sled nose cone structure, a rigid component mount was designed to fit the missile frame without alteration of the provisions made for the resilient mount, thus permitting easier system handling and appreciable weight reduction. 1958 also witnessed a series of tests by AC Sparkplug in which a complete Thor missile guidance section, including guidance, autopilot, and electrical power supply systems, was installed in a laboratory for testing under simulated flight conditions. During the tests, the chamber reached an altitude of 152,500 feet, simultaneously with 3 Gs of vibration. These extremely successful tests